The rules engine in Salesforce IoT enables organizations to define and automate business rules that govern the behavior of IoT devices and the handling of data. It plays a crucial role in processing and responding to events generated by connected devices. Here's a detailed explanation of the rules engine in Salesforce IoT, along with examples of rules. Overview of the rules engine. Rule definition. Overview. The rules engine allows organizations to define conditions and actions based on incoming IoT data. Details. Rules are sets of conditions that, when met by incoming data, trigger predefined actions. These conditions can be based on specific data values, time intervals, or other contextual factors. Condition logic. Overview. Conditions define the criteria that must be satisfied for a rule to be triggered. Details. Conditions can involve comparisons, mathematical operations, or Boolean logic. For example, a condition might check if the temperature reported by a sensor exceeds a certain threshold. Action definition. Overview. Actions specify what should happen when a rule's conditions are met. Details. Actions can include sending notifications, triggering workflows, updating records, or invoking external services. For instance, if a rule detects a sudden drop in pressure from an industrial machine, it could trigger an alert to maintenance personnel. Rules evaluation order. Overview. Rules are often evaluated in a specified order to determine which one should be applied first. Details. The rules engine may have mechanisms for prioritizing rules to ensure that, if multiple rules are triggered simultaneously, the one with the highest priority takes precedence. Examples of rules in Salesforce IoT. Temperature alert. Condition. If the temperature reported by a sensor exceeds 40 degrees Celsius. Action. Send an immediate alert to the maintenance team and update the status of the device to overheating. Predictive maintenance. Condition. If the machine has been running continuously for more than 72 hours without maintenance. Action. Trigger a work order for preventive maintenance and schedule downtime for the machine. Energy efficiency rule. Condition. If the energy consumption exceeds a predefined threshold during peak hours. Action. Dynamically adjust the operating parameters of connected devices to reduce energy consumption and send a report to the facilities management team. Anomaly detection. Condition. If there is a significant deviation from the normal pattern in sensor readings. Action. Flag the data as potentially anomalous, send an alert for manual review, and store the data for further analysis. Location-based rule. Condition. If a vehicle's GPS coordinates indicate that it has left the designated area. Action. Send an alert to the fleet manager, update the vehicle's status to out of area, and track its movements. Customer engagement rule. Condition. If a customer interacts with a product in a specific way. Action. Send a personalized marketing message or offer to the customer's mobile device, based on their interaction pattern. Implementation steps. Access the rules engine interface. Navigate to the Salesforce IoT Explorer interface and access the rules engine section. Create a new rule. Define a new rule, specifying the conditions and actions associated with the rule. Set conditions. Configure the conditions by selecting the relevant data fields, operators, and values. Define actions. Specify the actions that should be taken when the conditions are met. This can include invoking Apex code, updating records, or triggering workflows. Save and activate. Save the rule configuration and activate it to make it live. Test the rule. Use test data or simulate events to ensure that the rule behaves as expected. Monitor the rule's execution in real-world scenarios. Monitor and iterate. Regularly monitor the performance of rules, adjust conditions or actions as needed, and iterate on the rule configurations to optimize their effectiveness. The rules engine in Salesforce IoT empowers organizations to automate decision-making based on real-time data from IoT devices, improving efficiency, responsiveness, and the overall value derived from connected systems.